Huina remote control heavy-duty truck Scania 770S. Officially licensed Scania model 770S realistic heavy-duty truck. Exquisite craftsmanship, detailed design. Bright lights, simulated night operation. Link lights, realistic truck lighting. 118 scale realistic model. 2.4G high frequency remote control. 19 channel remote control, quick response. Proportional control, smooth operation. Independent tire suspension, simulated real truck suspension. Realistic sound effects, simulated engine drive. Flexible control, easy driving. Huina remote control heavy-duty truck Scania 770S.